At American WeatherStar, we work with a nationwide network of roof coatings contractors to install our fluid-applied roof restoration systems. If your commercial roofing company has great workmanship and is looking for a supplier that's more of a partner than just a vendor, we invite you to become an American WeatherStar approved contractor. We offer high-quality fluid-applied flat and metal roofing systems and products only to our approved contractors. The Urasil Flat Roof Restoration System and MetaGuard Metal Roof Restoration System are proven to restore, protect, and sustain commercial and industrial roofs.
What interested me most was probably the systems. The Urasil system was really a system that I felt like I could stand behind and sell. When you can find something that can withstand ponding water or air conditioning wash off or even drainage issues, that is awesome. And the Urasil system is what first led me to the company. The urethane was the second thing that kept me there. And now we're doing a lot of the acrylics even with the metal roof coatings.
One of the biggest advantages to working with American WeatherStar is our training and education. We invite those both new and veteran to the industry to join us at FAST, Fluid Applied System Techniques. This course provides roofing professionals with an immersive, hands-on training experience on fluid-applied roof restoration and repair. A typical FAST course covers everything from basic industry terminology to detailed application techniques using the latest coatings, products, and equipment. We also hold a Q&A panel with some of our current approved contractors who provide their insight to attendees.
I would highly recommend that as a new contractor, you at least attend one FAST Academy. I've been to several. Each time we've been able to learn something new. It's an evolving process, and it's a lot of great information, as well as a good networking tool. When asked by other contractors if I would recommend coming, it's always yes, especially for that networking part, because you learn a lot from, I guess what you would say, our fellow roofers, our competitors out there in the field.
Our technical services team is available for any questions or concerns you may have while installing our systems. We also have a variety of support documents available on our website.
From a technical document standpoint, American WeatherStar has done an incredible job at creating a website that is user-friendly first and foremost, but also allows contractors at any time that they need to be able to go online in the field or in the office, whatever they may be doing, and be able to find the resources they need, from submittals to application guidelines. And they even do things such as putting them on thumb drives for you to be able to use when you don't have internet access. So they've done a lot of things to try to create the most efficient way and put everything in your hands to be able to get the resources that you need.
Our Platinum and Platinum Elite contractors have access to several exclusive benefits, such as our lead generation program with the Business Development Center. After signing up for a campaign, contractors are assigned a dedicated account executive who acts as a liaison between potential customers and contractors. Using aggressive marketing strategies with extensive follow-up and tracking methods, our account executives make hundreds of phone calls per day on behalf of their contractor. As part of the lead generation program, our contractors have access to a variety of custom-designed marketing pieces, such as mailers, flyers, brochures, or even custom videos.
We also run several campaigns through the BDC, or the Business Development Center, from American WeatherStar. And it's an amazing program that I would advise any contractor to get involved with, those that want to build their business. They supply the leads, follow up on the leads. They also provide us unique material, in supporting material, and they follow up on a continual basis. And here's the thing that I say about American WeatherStar that other suppliers do not do. They don't stop the campaign tomorrow or a month from now. Next year or the following year, they will continue to follow up on what you paid for the previous year.
In addition to our training, marketing, benefits, systems, and products, we also have a fantastic company culture and are proud to say we've developed great relationships with our approved contractors. We strive to provide excellent customer service to our contractors.
Customer support has been, bar none, one of the best. One of the things I really like about them shipping the product is we get a call when the product is leaving their facility. We get a call when it's supposed to arrive at the job site, and we're notified each step of the way on the products.
And in gratitude for their continued patronage, we invite our contractors to the complimentary Starboard Elite Cruise every 2 years. We find that our continued effort to maintain great relationships with our contractors has led to long-lasting partnerships.
I've heard about American Weather Star through a mailer that was sent to me more than 10 years ago.
I've been an American Weather Star contractor since 2012.
We've been with American Weather Stars as a platinum contractor for over 5 years now.
And we've been doing business with American Weather Star since 2007.
So if your business is looking for new opportunities, become an approved contractor today. For more details on how to apply, visit www.americanweatherstar.com.